Choosing the right 3D printing filament can feel overwhelming, but not anymore. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the top materials: PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU, so you know exactly when, why, and how to use each one. Let's go! Let's start with PLA, the most beginner-friendly filament. It prints easily, doesn't warp much, and doesn't need a heated bed. You'll get beautiful surface quality with minimal hassle. But it's brittle and doesn't handle heat well, so don't leave play parts in a hot car. Perfect for prototypes, decorations, miniatures, cosplay props. Next up, PETG, the middle ground between PLA and ABS. It's tougher and slightly flexible, making it great for mechanical parts. It's also moisture resistant and even food safe in some brands. Downside? It can string a lot, and adhesion can be too strong. Now ABS. Strong, durable, and heat resistant. It's used for real-world parts like automotive components. But here's the catch. It warps easily and gives off fumes, so you'll need a heated bed and ideally an enclosure. Last but not least, TPU, the flexible stuff. It bends, stretches, and absorbs shock, making it perfect for phone cases, toys, or gaskets. It's a bit tricky, requires slower speeds, and works better on direct drive printers. Pick your filament based on your project's needs, not just popularity. Liked this quick guide? Hit that like button and subscribe for more smart 3D printing tips.